It's
Hey, there we go.
Oh, 7 now is accessible. Okay, I guess there's a new update. We're at the 4720 Montgomery Lane office building. I filmed this last year, but now that alright, into lobby.
This is an animal mod to hold armor.
Yes.
Sure would have been nice to see these original.
I think the buttons are not really.
No, these are not.
Yeah, because this building was built in the 50s, and I think the...
Yeah, no, these... they seem like they're still in the original controller, though.
Yeah. Yeah, so... But I think that thing is still original right there.
These would have been armor black button.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they still love loading stages.
Right.
I take it back. Technically, these are EPCO fixtures because they have the EPCO key switches. As and EPCO are the same.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Alright. Uh-huh. I think it went up.